stuff is prunes. Mommy has taken all precautions to make sure you have no clothes on that can get ruined. Okay, are we ready? Open. Choo choo. Yeah. Ready? Are we going to try this? Are we going to choo choo? Choo choo. Open. Prunes. Yummy. These are good. Let's try. Big bite. Good girl. That's a good girl. There you go. Wow. We got a prunester going. Looky, did we get a little spill? You look like you're eating chocolate. Ready? Choo choo.